Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fajar Alfitra Deni Sritama and my partner.
Tansa Humaira.
And today we will presentation about how to recognizing important information in a text to relate the parts of a text and figure out the hidden fact. And here's the outline. We have definition of important information in the text, purpose of important information in the text, forms of important information in the text, how to find out important information in the text, an example of important information in the text, definition of relate parts of text, and how to relate parts of text, steps to recognize important information in the text to relate parts of the text, and the next, definition of hidden facts, 10. Purpose of hidden facts, 11. How to find out hidden facts, and lastly, example of hidden facts in the text. The next slide we have definition of important in a text. Important information in a text is the gist of the passage or the main idea on which a paragraph is built. Next slide. Purpose of important information. The purpose of important information in a text is to increase the reader knowledge and make it easier for the reader to remember and access the information. And the next slide, forms of important information in a text. Main idea, the main message that the author wants to convey, important details, facts, figures, or data that support and reinforce the main idea. Key point, part that clarify the main idea, such as arguments, example, or evidence. And lastly, important words or phrases, those that provide close or general ideas about the topic of the text. And the next slide.
How to find out important information in a text. Number 1, identify main idea and supporting details. Number 2, find keyword and repeat concept. Number 3, analyze heading and subheading for context. Next, example of important information in a text. Text, the local health center will open COVID-19 vaccination service every Monday and Tuesday from 8 o'clock and 2 o'clock starting next week. Important information. Number 1, COVID-19 vaccination services are available every Monday and Tuesday. Service operating hours are from 8 and 2 o'clock. Service start next week. Definition of relate part of text. Relate part of text is the process of understanding and finding connection between different parts of a text to gain coherent understanding. How to relate part of text. Number 1, look at for transitional words and phrases. Number 2, follow a logical flow or idea. Number 3, identify requiring terms.
Step to recognize important information in the text to relate parts of the text. We can read the text in the entirety first, and second, mark the main idea in each paragraph, and third, pay attention to keywords and terms, use guiding question, and 5, make a simple summary of each section, and understand the relationship between sections, use mind maps or visual themes, and practice connecting by creating critical question, and lastly, reread and revise. The next slide is definition of hidden facts in the text. Hidden facts in the text refer to information or meaning that is not immediately apparent or explicitly stated in the writing. The next slide, we have purpose of hidden facts. The purpose of hidden facts in a text is to provide deeper layers of meaning or surprise the reader in the ways that are not immediately apparent. The next slide is how to spot hidden facts in a text. We can analyze deeper, question assumptions or biases, use logic and contextual evidence, and ask reflective questions. The next slide, we have example of hidden facts in a text.
Text. Every morning, Mr. Andy comes to the city park with 2 cups of coffee. He puts 1 cup on the empty beach next to him, then sees quietly starting out upper lake. Hidden fact. Mr. Andy may have had someone who often accompanied him to drink coffee in the park. This hidden fact is implied by his habit of carrying 2 cups and placing 1 cup on an empty beach. Conclusion. The conclusion of this material is that practicing this step regularly will develop the skill needed to interpret text accurately, uncover deeper meanings, and link ideas effectively.
And that's all from our presentation. Do you have any question? Do you have any question, guys? Jika ada yang tidak paham, boleh ditanyakan. Apakah ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Do you have any question, guys? Jika ada yang tidak paham, boleh ditanyakan.
Baik, silakan Dini.
Saya ingin bertanya kepada kelompok 7, mengapa mengidentifikasi informasi penting untuk pembaca akademik?
Baiklah, apakah ada yang ingin ditanyakan lagi?
Baik, di sini saya akan menjawab pertanyaan dari Dini. Jadi, mengidentifikasi informasi itu penting dalam sebuah teks karena kita dapat menafsirkan teks secara akurat, mengungkapkan maknanya yang lebih dalam, dan menghubungkan ide-idenya secara efektif.
Baiklah, apakah ada yang ingin bertanya lagi?
Baik, silakan Wildan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Wildanus Syafid Febian. Izin bertanya, di mana letak important information? Mungkin itu saja yang saya ingin tanyakan.
Baik, saya akan menjawab pertanyaan dari Wildan. Jadi, important information ini bisa terdapat di dalam kalimat awal atau akhir dari paragraf yang berbentuk main idea, important information, key points, atau important word or phrase. Contohnya data dan fakta.
Baiklah, apakah ada yang ingin bertanya lagi? Baiklah, jika tidak ada yang ingin bertanya, mungkin sampai sini saja presentasi kami pada hari ini. Thank you for your attention and your friends. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.